Real McCoy's are in the building. This is the Brooklyn's finest dance hall. Tupa Chalupa, Noah, GMC Anniversary. Blood clot. Mr. Kato. 9th anniversary, son, is going down. The Real McCoy's, GMC family. The murder. Tupa Chalupa, Noah. The whole GMC family is here. This is Brooklyn's finest. Doing it big tonight. Tonight's the night, right? Tonight's the big night.
Big night.
Y'all did that? Of course, you gotta represent, you know what I'm saying? Say something for the anniversary family, you know what I'm saying?
Aniversary, baby.
Yeah, let them know where they coming from.
Aniversary. Real hood.
Real hood. What's really hood? The Real McCoy's are here. Know what they use with the power. The whole family is here. Exclusive. Venomous is here too.
Youngest member of GMC.
The youngest member of GMC right here. Give me bunks.
GMC.
Give me bunks, little boy. Respect. 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 Ah, you see it? One more time. One more time. Ah, you see it, love. That's my boy, the youngest member. What's your name? Bill, GMC family for life. Kato in the building. Explosive family. Murder, you already know. Say HipSkip. Say HipSkip. 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 Yeah. Say HipSkip. HipSkip. All right. Give me one. Real McCoy, Brooklyn's finest. Murder. It's gonna be crazy tonight, eh? For real. Let them know what you're repping. 9th anniversary. It's more than 9 years I've been in the business, but at GMC.
Now what it is, we get younger every year, man.
The Real McCoy's, I'm doing a little documentary letting heads know, you know, who really is in the industry. You know what I'm saying? YouTube, we're gonna put this on YouTube. We're gonna have a million hits, by the end of 2007. Watch.
GMC,
that's
the
part
problem.
right there.
KW Citywide glass and windows. You know what I mean? Straight business. Feel me?
Word.
That's what it is, man.
That's what it is. For real. Say no more, GMC fans. Here we go. We out.